The first thing we need to check is what are the materials available for our sales area. So for to check materials available in a sales area, the material table is MVKE. So what I've given is I've selected MVKE table. I've given sales org as ZSAB and just executed it. So we have found all these materials existing in ZSAB. So now what I need to do is I will upload my colleagues to I will request my colleagues to upload stock for these materials. So the transaction to create stock, you can use MB1C. Movement type, in this case, because this is an initial upload, I'm using movement type 561. I've entered all these materials. I'm creating stock of 100 units each. Press enter. These transactions are normally done by because it relates to inventory management, which is not part of sales and distribution. Missing part check not possible is a message. Just press enter, and now post. Let's see if it gives any error. If there are no errors, that means the stock will be posted automatically. So the document is generated. That means stock has been created for our materials. We can check the stock in MMBE. Let's give one material and check the stock. Herein you can see the stock. This is company code, plant. This is your storage location. You can see the symbols as well, and you can see how this stock has been created as well. Click on environment, click on material movements. This transaction is very useful for SD. We need to know this transaction to see the stock levels. So we see stock has been created by these two material documents. Now let's create other master data with respect to these materials. Let's create pricing, basic pricing. You have to use VK11 as the transaction code to set up price. I'm using condition type ZS. So let's use our condition types ZB01 as our price for this. It has only one condition table, so it will directly pop into you. So let's enter the materials. We have entered all the materials, and let's give the base price as 10 euros, 11 euros, 12 euros, 13 euros and 14 euros. If you press enter, it will take automatically unit of currency. This currency is coming from sales organization. It will pick up the validity dates as today. You can have scales as well if you want to have scales. So price will be for first 100, or first 100 would be 10 units. For first 200 will be say £9, 9 euros. You can set up scale quantities as well. So let's save this condition record. Now come back and let's use a special price, that is, it has two condition records for us. So we will set it up as and when required. Let's set up our third condition price, that is our discounts, base discount as well. This is base discount for materials. I'm giving €1 as my discount. Save it. Now we have a customer. This is our test customer. We will create another customer, copy of this as a customer by create with reference or copy. So I will be just creating copy customer using the same thing. Account group will be the same as our previous one. Sub TV account group. Specify a reference customer. We have specified our reference customer. Search term as SERBIDUS2. Let it be, say, Hamburg, and let's try to save it. So it will copy all the data which is coming from our reference customer. So new customer has been created. We can view this new customer as well. That's 2. The most important thing we need to check is whether partner functions have been copied or not. So we have to just enter new partner functions for this customer. These have not been created automatically. Here PP, and there was one more partner function we can view here, that is ZR. One 117 117 117. Let me change this one. Now let me go to 16 and change some data for this customer as well. BP and ZR, one more. Okay, it's giving an error that has not been created. No problem. So for this moment of time I will give this 17 and save it. So we have created customer master. Now we have to create material determination. So I have selected material determination is used when you want to substitute material for, say, advertising campaign, or say due to availability you want to substitute one X material with Y material. So we have selected A, and I want to select, say, I will copy this material and substitute it with 31. So because of my advertising I want to substitute set top box A with this one. So it has been saved. Similarly, a listing is used primarily to say that a customer A will be allowed to purchase certain things, and customer B will be, or say customer is allowed to buy X product but not Y product. That is what we were trying to show it here. So I'm creating listing, customer and material. So customer is allowed to buy say 30, and I would say exclusion means he is not allowed to buy certain thing. So I will say this customer is not allowed to buy 32 material. So we have created listing and exclusion for this material. Then we have to create outputs as well. What are the outputs we would be using? So for sales document we would be using say create output type. BA00 is the standard output type used. So sales document type is, you have to give standard doc. So we are creating condition records for output. This is for sales order, order confirmation. For order type ZBCR, I would be using partner function SP, and the medium will be print. And for second order type, the medium will be what you call as just an email, simple email. And when it will be processed, we are giving it processing. It will be immediately when you save the order. Save this condition record for the output. Okay, has not been defined for the, okay, no problem. Just a message, output medium has not been defined for the customer. That was the message, so I need to change that for ZBCR. It's already saved. Changed for ZBOR. Excuse me. So I have to use fax. Similarly, now I have to create output type for delivery. For delivery output type, I would be using standard, what is provided by SAP, LD00. I'm using delivery type this combination. Let it be print, and output will be generated at the time of saving. So this is for delivery note LD00, and the final output I would be using for invoice. The output type should be used is RD00. You can see the output determination procedure and everything in transaction called NACE. Herein you can see for each application what is the output type and what are the procedures available. So for sales, the procedure is V1 10,000. In controls you can see BA00. So the final thing missing for us is RD00. We are coming to create output condition record for billing. So we would be using billing type, our custom billing types. ZS OR and ZS. Press enter. You can see this BP and all this data is coming from the condition record. It is coming from the output type. If you see output type, let me see in the controls. for V3, output type is RD00. RD00. If you see the mailing text, sorry, if you just select this one, click on details, the default value is print job, that is 1, transmission medium is print, partner function is BP. So herein partner function BP, print job and everything is coming from the configuration for the output type. So now I'm saving this record. So this way we have set up our outputs for all this. We have set up the pricing, we have set up the base pricing and base discount, we have set up material listing and exclusion, material determination, and we have created stock as well. So now we are ready to do our unit testing from entire sales order flow.